Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu, Lazer on Android. First, you will need to download the game. Asu, Lazer is the updated client for the well-known rhythm game, offering many modes and levels. Ensure your Android device runs version 5.0 or newer. You can find the official application package file on the Asu website or its GitHub releases page. Always download from trusted sources to ensure security. Once the Asu, Lazer APK file is downloaded, navigate to your device's file manager to locate it. Before installing, you might need to enable Install Unknown Apps in your phone's security settings for your browser or file manager. Tap the downloaded APK file to start the installation. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, granting any necessary permissions, and the game will be ready in just a few moments. Skate 3 offers a fantastic variety of multiplayer modes for you and your friends. You can jump into party play, where up to 6 players can compete in a series of fun challenges and events. If you prefer a more relaxed experience, Free Skate lets you and up to 5 other players explore the entire open world together. You also have the flexibility to create or join custom sessions tailored to your group's preferences. To get the best experience, optimize your in-game settings. For smoother gameplay, especially on older devices, consider disabling background videos and reducing visual effects. You can choose between a tap method, where you tap each circle, or a hold method, which mimics a computer mouse. Many players find a stylus offers greater precision and control, potentially improving your accuracy and scores. Experiment to find what works best for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.